Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best AI website builder in 2025 by comparing Durable AI versus Wix ADI. If you're looking for the best AI website builder in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Durable is the world's fastest AI website builder that generates a complete website in 30 seconds, then provides powerful AI marketing, invoicing, and CRM tools to grow your business. Built specifically for small businesses and service-based entrepreneurs, Durable has already launched over 10 million websites across industries from landscaping to consulting. By answering just 3 simple questions about your business type, name, and location, Durable's AI algorithms create a tailored website that matches your industry and brand. Unlike typical website builders, Durable includes everything you need to run a business online. Durable puts your marketing on autopilot, writing and publishing new blog content weekly with its AI blog builder. Your website is SEO ready the moment it's live, and Durable writes high-converting copy automatically without requiring any copywriting skills. Durable pricing starts at $15 per month or $12 per month if billed annually. The starter plan includes unlimited pages, priority email support, access to 10 million stock images, and unlimited monthly blog articles. Wix is one of the most popular website builders globally, serving over 263 million users with a comprehensive platform that combines AI-powered website creation with extensive customization options. Founded in 2006, Wix has evolved into a powerful platform offering everything from simple portfolios to complex e-commerce stores. Wix's AI website builder, powered by ChatGPT, uses a conversational interface to create custom websites in minutes. With over 2,000 free website templates and 900+ customizable designs, Wix offers more design options than almost any other platform. Wix excels in e-commerce with the ability to sell up to 50,000 products, gather product reviews, offer discounts, recover abandoned carts, and integrate with multiple payment processors. Wix offers enterprise solutions with unlimited bandwidth, 50 GB storage, VIP support, custom reports, and the ability to handle high-traffic websites. Plans range from free to $159 per month for Business Elite. Wix's extensive app marketplace allows you to add functionality like advanced analytics, marketing tools, booking systems, and third-party integrations to extend your website's capabilities. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.